So I dropped Mrs. Bushwhacker off, went for a couple mile walk, so I'm pretty soaked now. And get around that fire, start drying off a bit. It's definitely a downpour. I'm pretty soaked though. So I'm going to dry off now, guys, get myself a nice brew. The temperature's dropped a bit as well, so it's lovely coming back to the camp. Fire's still going, which is good. It's nice walking in the rain though, quite refreshing. So a nice little task while it's raining, guys. I think it's stopping in a couple of hours, so I thought I'd crack on with this. So I'm under a little shelter. It's lovely and dry in here. Perfect for wet weather conditions. So no more Mrs. Bushwhacker, she's gone home, so I'm up here on my Todd with Buster. And the fire's still going in the rain. Tarp's really helped out. Us is having a nice dry off by the fire. Good boys. So just chilling out, guys, under the lean-to. Had a beautiful dinner. Just kept myself out the rain. Cool, smoky in here. And I lit the beer keg, which was really nice. And just put a lantern at the back there. So no, it's lovely in here. Gorgeous, and the heat's radiating up from that beer keg, so it's gorgeous in here. Managed to dry off all my clothes, dried the dog off, so we're all set for the night. It's just been relentless rain. Oh, smoke in my eyes. So yeah, it's been a great weekend. Got used to Mrs. Bushwhacker being up here, so it takes a bit of adjusting when you've got company and then you've got to go and do a solo. So yeah, it takes a while, like I said. No, it's been a great afternoon, regardless of the weather. But it hasn't been like this for a while. Been spoilt really. So I'm just finishing off my beer from yesterday. Cheers again, guys. Oh, smoky eyes. So we've got about an hour of daylight left and then the sun will be going down. So it's lovely with two fires going. Nice bit of heat from here, and you go under the little lean-to on that other little cabin. It's lovely and warm under there as well. It's spoiled. But I think the temperature's going to drop a bit tonight, so keep these fires going for a bit longer, and then I'll be getting in my bag, I think, having a little bit of a read. Get nice and cosy for the evening. He's flat out. Right, bid you good night, guys. I'm going to read a little book, like I said, and keep myself warm and have a cosy night in here. Got a few candles on the go. So see you in the morning, guys. I don't know if you can see me. Yeah, just great day. I'm gonna chill out now in the cabin. Beautiful. Cheers, guys. Morning, guys. So quite a blustery night last night. Glad it stopped raining. Sun's coming up. So a lovely morning. Back to dry weather. Nice to see all my cabins are waterproof. So that put them through the test after that downpour. Well, torrential downpour really for about 5-6 hours, so they all stood up, all pretty dry underneath. and I slept really well in my little small cabin. Slept like a log. So I've been up about 10 minutes to get that famous brew on and start the day. This is my favourite thing when I'm camping out. Nice cup of tea in the morning and just sit around the fire and warm up. Just practicing me flint and steel this morning, guys. Get your hand in. Practice, practice, practice. Right, just the top to go now, guys. Packing up. Mrs. Bushwhacker's picking me up. Oh, chestnut fell out of the tree. Dog's chasing it. So, have a great week, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Enjoy the great outdoors. Cheers, guys.